Welcome back to the SQL for Testers and Developers playlist. In this video, we will cover the 4 fundamental SQL commands: select, insert, update, and delete, also known as CRUD operations. CRUD stands for create, inserting new records into a table; read, retrieving data using select; update, modifying existing records; and delete, removing records from a table. Every database operation revolves around these 4 actions. Now let's see them in detail. Please open your Workbench app and select a connection. First things first, we have our connection now and we need to let the program know which database it should use for running queries. We have our GNT database, so let's use it by providing this query. Don't forget to use semicolon in the end. Let's select it and execute. As you can see, it was executed successfully. To perform CRUD operations, we need a table. We will use a table employees, which we have created in previous video. If you don't have this table, please use this query to create it. Employees table has some basic columns: ID, name, department, and salary. So ID is a unique identifier, is a primary key in this table. Name, employee's name; department, employee's department; and obviously employee's salary. I will not execute this command because I already have this table, but if you don't have it, you can create it by selecting this query and clicking the icon right here. Now let's insert some sample records in our employees table. We need to use insert into keywords, then the table name, and provide columns. Now let's select it and execute. Alright, we have added 4 employees in our table by using only one query. For each employee, we've provided ID, its name, department, and salary values. Now let's retrieve this data using select. The select statement is used to fetch data from the database. Let's start with some basic queries. This query retrieves all columns and rows from the employees table. We don't need to specify what columns would be displayed. Star means everything. Now let's try this query. This query returns only the name and department columns. Also, we can filter the data by providing where keyword. This retrieves all employees from the IT department. For example, we want to find an employee data based on its name. So let's use this query. This query will return all the information about Bob Smith. Now let's add a new employee using the insert statement. This adds a new employee to the employees table. Let's see how it looks now. Select start from employees. We can copy this query, select it, and execute. As you can see, our last entry for Emma Davis is present in the table right here. Now let's talk about the update statement. So the update statement modifies existing records. Let's update Alice's salary. We can see that the current salary is 75,000. Now let's update it. We need to provide this command. and see how it looks right now. As you can see right now, Eddie's salary is 80,000. Always use where statement in update queries to avoid modifying all the records. Now let's see how the delete statement works. Delete statement removes records from a table. For example, Bob doesn't work in the company anymore, and we would like to delete his record from employees table. We can provide this query. Let's execute it and see the table again. We remember that Bob's ID was 102, and as you can see, the table currently does not have Bob's information anymore. So we have 101 and 103 right away after it. Please be careful and remember that you need to use where keyword to not delete all the records from the table. Now you know how to use create, select, insert, update, and delete to interact with the database. These commands form the foundation of SQL for both testers and developers. So now you understand CRUD operations, and we've learned these keywords. Create defines the structure of a table, select retrieves data, insert adds new records, update modifies existing records, and delete removes records. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more SQL tutorials. In the next video, we will explore filtering data using where, like, in, and between operators. Don't miss it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. It was GNT Creator. I will see you in new videos. Bye.